Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your CRM integration in Zapier with Salesforce step by step clearly. Log in to your Zapier account. Navigate to the Zap section in your dashboard. Select the Zap that involves your Salesforce integration. If you haven't created a Zap yet, click on Make a Zap. Choose Salesforce as your app and the trigger or action step is needed. Connect your Salesforce account if it's not already linked. Follow the prompts to grant Zapier access to your Salesforce account. Once connected, proceed to set up the specific trigger or action. For triggers, select the desired event, such as new record or updated record. Fill in the required fields to specify your click on Test Trigger to ensure that Zapier can pull data from Salesforce. Check that the test returns the expected records. For actions, select the desired event, such as Create Record or Update Record. Configure the necessary fields for the action. Use the drop-down menus to map Salesforce data to Zapier fields. Click Test Action to verify that the data integrates correctly into Salesforce. Review the test results to make sure the action performed as intended. If everything looks good, turn on your Zap. Monitor the Zap for any errors during the initial runs. Adjust settings as necessary to optimize your integration. Your CRM integration with Salesforce and Zapier should now be verified and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.